Let's make an easy caramel sauce. Add 1/4 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar to a large pot. Combine 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Then set it aside. Cut up 6 tablespoons of butter into small chunks and set aside. Set heat to medium-low. Let sugar melt until it is nice and amber in color. Do not stir it yet. Once it has an amber color, remove the pot from the heat and pour in the heavy cream a little at a time, stirring quickly with a wooden spoon or silicone spoon until all incorporated. Then add in the butter and stir that until all melted and incorporated. Allow the caramel sauce to cool 10 to 15 minutes and transfer it to a bowl for serving. Put on ice cream, pie, or whatever you need the caramel sauce for. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, intthekitchenwithmatt.com.